Okay, let's be real for a second. Does your work week feel like you're just constantly fighting an endless to-do list? Yeah, you're not alone. Today, we're going to look at 5 powerful and, honestly, super accessible AI tools that are designed to help you crush that overload and get your time back.
We all know that feeling, right? You're just bogged down by what some people call shallow work. You know, all those repetitive, administrative things that just suck the energy out of you and keep you from the work that actually matters. It's a huge problem, but AI has some incredible solutions.
So here's the plan. We're going to walk through a hand-picked list of 5 specific types of AI tools. Think of this as your personal roadmap to a much smarter, way more efficient workflow that can, no joke, save you hours every single week.
All right, kicking off our countdown at number 5, we have the AI Research Assistant. This is your secret weapon against that terrifying blank page. We're talking about tools that can summarize articles for you, generate outlines, and even brainstorm ideas. Seriously, whether you're starting a big report or just a creative project, this is where you start. Just think about it. The before is you, sinking hours and hours into searching, reading, trying to piece it all together just to get started. Now picture the after. You're getting instant summaries of really complex topics, brainstorming outlines, and generating first drafts in seconds. It is a total game changer for just getting the momentum going.
And that's really the magic of it right there. You know, the hardest part of any task is just getting started. This tool lets you just leap right over that hurdle so you can get straight to the creative, strategic parts of your work.
Coming in at number 4, we've got a tool for literally anyone who creates content, the AI Video Editor. So once your research assistant helps you get a script together, this tool makes actually producing it a total breeze. I mean, if you have ever spent hours of your life trimming clips and scrubbing timelines, you are going to love this.
So you know the old way, right? Painstakingly cutting out every single and awkward pause. It's tedious. The new way? The AI transcribes your video, and you just delete the words you don't want. From the text, the video then edits itself. Automatically. It's amazing.
This just completely flips the script on editing. It makes making videos faster, way more intuitive, and honestly accessible to everybody, not just the pros. It's a revolutionary shift for sure.
All right, at number 3, we have what I like to call the meeting savior, the AI note taker. And this one, oh man, this one tackles one of the biggest time sinks in modern work. Those back-to-back meetings and the information overload that just comes with them.
Okay, picture this. Before, you were frantically typing notes, trying to listen and talk at the same time, and you know you were missing key details. Now you can just be fully present in the conversation because you know an AI is transcribing everything and will spit out a perfect summary with all the key takeaways and action items for you later.
And here's the real kicker. The ultimate benefit? Once you really start to trust the system, you can actually start skipping meetings that you don't need to be in because you're confident you'll get a perfect summary sent right to your inbox. You literally get to reclaim your calendar.
Our runner-up at number 2 is the Content Copilot. You should think of this as your personal writing team, on demand, ready to go whenever you need them. From social media posts to really complex emails, this is all about creating better content way faster. What's just mind-blowing here is the scale. Before, writing one good email or one social media post took focused time and energy. Now, you can generate entire blog posts, flawless emails, and super engaging social captions in seconds. And you can tailor it to any tone you want.
Seriously, it's like having a pro copywriting team in your pocket 24/7. And it's not just about the speed. It's about getting that professional quality writing for any task, which lets you communicate way more effectively and consistently everywhere.
And now for our number 1 time saver. Okay, this one's a little different. Its real power is that it acts like the central nervous system that connects all of your other apps. We are talking about automation tools.
So what's the big problem this thing solves? Well, think about it. We all use dozens of apps, right? Email, calendars, spreadsheets, project managers. But they all live in their own little digital worlds. And that forces us to do endless, repetitive copy-pasting and manual data entry.
Okay, let me paint a picture for you with a super common example. Imagine a new lead fills out a form on your website. Without you lifting a finger, an automation tool can add them to a spreadsheet, create a follow-up task in your calendar, and send a personalized welcome email. All at once, all completely automatic.
And that is its whole reason for being. It's the digital glue for your entire workflow. These tools create these seamless connections that get rid of all that manual work and make sure nothing ever falls through the cracks again.
So there you have it, your AI productivity toolkit. You've got the AI assistant to get you started, the video editor to make creation simple, the meeting note-taker to free up your calendar, the content copilot to get your message out there, and the automation tool to tie it all together.
But at the end of the day, let's be really clear about something. This isn't just about shaving a few minutes off your tasks. The real goal here is to free up your mental energy so you can focus on deep, meaningful work. Or maybe just disconnect and recharge. It's about reclaiming your life from all the busy work.
And that really just brings us to the one big question, doesn't it? We've laid out the whole roadmap for you, but the journey has to start with a single step. So looking at this toolkit, which one are you going to try first?